Let's do this. Let's get all of this in place. Hello, everybody. Hello, 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 hello. I have to laugh every time I turn on. This is so funny. So I, hi, hey VR. So I used to smoke cigarettes. Yes, I used to do it. My gosh, I'm German. Every German smokes. Well, not every German, but a lot of Germans. It's a German thing. Let's just put it that way. Germans love to smoke cigarettes. Anyways, and this is Palo Santo, right? And every time I grab it, you know what I do? I'm like, so retarded. I wanted to intro the video like that first, but I'm like, I can't do that. But this is not anything. It smokes, but it's can you guys see it? Look, this is a piece of wood. It smells so good. Palo Santo. Does anybody know Palo Santo? Do you? You have to keep. So let me tell you guys something about smell. It really gets, isn't it? Oh my gosh, I love it. Um, you need you need to get yourself in a certain vibe, right? It just works better. Getting into flow state, you need to do some things sometimes. Sometimes you just need to stare at the wall for 5 minutes. That helps too. Because I'm working really hard right now. I'm working hard. I got two computers running. That's how hard I'm working. This is awful. So I haven't even had time to give my open claw all the damn tasks. That's how bad it is right now. But I'm building something that I want to launch because the other thing I built I didn't want to launch. So I need to do that. And what's really cool, I had to set up AWS and stuff, but my brother is a DevOps, right? So I called him up. He's in Germany. I said, dude, you need to take care of the AWS stuff. And he's like, yeah, I'll do it. So I am so happy that I have help because if I launch this and stuff, oh my gosh. Mm, mm. Yeah, I'm already scared. But hey, I'm looking forward to this because you guys, you know what? If you launch an app, it's so much freaking work. You have to maintain it. You have to be support. If your stuff goes down, you got to fix it. And if payments, there's so many things. Oh my gosh. And then what I was diving into yesterday, I have to also make sure because people are going to be allowed to upload stuff. So I also have to put security things in place because I don't want people doing weird stuff with my app because it's going to be me, right? I am going to be getting in trouble. It's going to be me, okay? I am going to get in trouble if people do stupid stuff with my app. So you have to have legal things in check, and I also have to make sure it's locked down properly so that people can't, hack in or hack in general. So you're going to have to go through the whole darn security thing. That's another whatever. I don't know how a day. You'll be able to get that in a day. But you're going to have to do all of that. So there are numerous levels, numerous layers to building an app. There's so many layers to it. And it's really, I mean, to building an app that you take public. And then you have to market the whole thing too. Oh my gosh. I think I'm going to just, you know what? I think it's super easy. That part should be really easy because there are a lot of communities here on X. And I'm probably going to go product hunt. I tried that with Meet App, which we took back down because I'm like, I don't know. It's too expensive. I want to change a couple of things. I'm still working on it 2 months later. There's so many things happening. I mean, seriously, people, how can you guys keep up? It's like, oh, I want to build this. I want to build this. Oh my gosh, I want to build this. But now I have to build something that actually, that I put out. So I have enough of this. I'm in the mood now. And yeah, I can't show anything right now on screen because everything I'm doing is just secret. That's why I haven't been doing lives that much because I just can't show much and I have a lot of work to do. So, but what we can do, I got a cool email. And let me show you guys some. I want to hear your thoughts. I want to hear your thoughts. I love Avatar. I'm just going to keep that there. We are for the rest of the stream. The stream, I'm just going to keep it. Okay, so now let's. So I was thinking. Now I don't know if these tools are really worth it, right? But just imagine you're pinged every time someone speaks about something that aligns with your product. And then this here will ping you. It will do an AI reply, but you can also just reply yourself. I mean, if you're pinged, if you get a notification, then you can just, answer quickly. You could do that on your phone. So when I'm walking the dogs or when I'm out of the grocery store, whatever, I can just do it on my phone, right? I don't have to have AI reply because AI replies are really gay. Oops, I'm sorry. Not gay in the sense gay. Gay, also not happy. Do you guys know that gay is actually means happy? So it's kind of sus. Is that the other word that the teenagers use? Yeah, it's kind of sus. So I don't know if I should do this or not. I think I am. Because I really have to, you guys have to market your stuff. And I'm a one-man show. Well, one and a half. I got my brother in Germany now. I'm so happy. But and if it goes good, I'm definitely going to get a co-founder, right? But this time I'm going to wait until I'm actually making some money. And then I'm probably going to get somebody if I think I need it. Because then I can just hack the next. So the thing is, if you have an app, you have to work on features. So you have to stay interesting for your people, right? You understand that, right? So your app, you're not just going to build an app and then you're going to be like, okay, I'm done. You can forget that. It's not going to happen. That's when the real work starts. Retaining your customers, fixing issues, adding features. You have to keep adding features. The app that I have, it's going to be easy, I think, to add features because it's going to be interesting. I'm kind of excited about this because I am going to use it myself too. I built an app that I would use myself. Isn't that cool? But yeah, the real work starts when you take it online. Also, I'm super scared. Imagine 700 people or so hit your darn app at once. Log in, this and that's getting set up. So for the generation part, of course, I have to queue the people. I have to limit the people. That's very important. You don't want your app to blow up, and you also don't want your bills to blow up because think about it. If 10 people, so AWS is really expensive. It's really good, but it's really expensive. So I really have to keep the costs in check. That's why I have my brother in Germany that is going to help me with that. He's a DevOps guy or whatever. Yeah, so he does all that stuff. He does AWS, Azure, Google, and just all that other stuff. Anyways, just think about it. Your app has to be stable when 10 people log in and do and all. I am going to be using Clerk for auth. It's just going to save me a little bit of time. Supabase, you can use that too, but Supabase, I think I don't know. I have a feel I don't want to pay that much. So I am doing Drizzle and Neon. I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing. I'll see. I don't want to migrate. Oh my gosh. Imagine you have an app running and then you got to migrate. Oh my gosh. That's probably really bad. So I tell you, it's a lot of work. Drizzle, Neon, and then I'm going to use Clerk for auth. I haven't set that up yet. Then I'm going to use Stripe for payments. And Stripe is really cool because you can also, if you wanted to, accept crypto. For the ones that like Bitcoin, it's now nice and low. So you can have people pay you in Bitcoin and then, at some point it'll go up. You can just put it aside. I don't even know how that works tax-wise. If someone were to pay their subscription every month in Bitcoin to you, then maybe, just maybe, the CPA, are you still here? Mr. CPA. Mr. CPA VR, are you still here? So Mr. Mr. VR, how is that if someone pays you in crypto and you don't cash it in dollars? Is it taxed? That's super interesting. I don't even know. Is it taxed? Let's see if the super CPA is still here. Well, I'm probably going to try this here and see how many DMs come in and if they really align with what I offer, and then you can just write a reply and tell them, hey, I have what you need. So 19 bucks. And this one, 39 bucks. Unlimited high intent leads. Oh, and then I found this gentleman. I got to share that too. Let's go here. I'm following 2,100 people. So then I found this gentleman here, and he has something similar to a Product Hunt. You can share your app here. That's cool. And this is actually where I found this Basly. I mean, Basly, they're not the only ones that are doing this from Reddit. But hey, I'm just going to try that one out and see how it goes. So yeah, then you can go here. And then, of course, Product Hunt, right? That's where you can definitely launch your product and share it with the world. Product Hunt is another place. And then you would probably just talk about it all the time. Spring 2026. Let's see. Y Combinator offers 7 startup ideas they want to fund. I think you can get 500K or so from YC. Make LLMs easy to train. Well, I mean, okay, cool. AI for government. AI native agencies, AI native hedge funds, stablecoin financial services. Okay. Yeah, I'm not building financial services. I'm building a financial secure bridge, but it's not. I just handle. Dude, can you please be quiet? But this is cool. I mean, you guys, going on Product Hunt and just looking what's out there, what people are voting. I mean, some of these votes are from everybody's friends. So, if you have a lot of followers, you're going to most likely get more votes. So it doesn't always say how good a project is. But you can learn a lot, get inspiration. Clometry. What is this? Real-time observability. There we go. Dashboard for OpenClaw, AI agents. Everybody's building a dashboard. TSI built one too. Your AI clone. Your clone remembers people you've never met. Okay. What? Huh? What? Okay. That's a little bit above my head right now. Okay, so turn your calendar into a live lock screen wallpaper. Okay, perfect. Free and open source diagram creator with total control. Okay. It's open source here. Here you can read. Some of these tools are open source, so you can check them out and build on top. Open source skills system that wires your business into AI. Okay, that's interesting. What is that? It's a skills system, so it's probably an agent connector. I still have to set up my N8N thing because I also have to now connect my Python scripts to something stable. Which will be N8N, I guess. Works with Claude Code, Cursor Codex, ChatGPT, Gemini, Windsurf, GitHub. Free forever. Forever. Forever, ever? Oh my gosh. Okay. Baseline Studio. I like their simple, minimalistic, but futuristic Brown Style. It's like Factory AI. I really love Factory AI's site. I like Anthropic's style too. The Universal Skill and Command Manager for AI coding tools. I think this is interesting because if you can command, imagine you have your open clause. You have one for front end, one for back end, one does the database, blah, 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 blah. Then you have one that does what have you. And then you can all connect them with the dashboard, right? It's kind of cool. Ooh, I love this, yeah. Your business wired into your AI tools. Oh, you guys can't see it. I am sorry. Now you guys can. Skills, references, frameworks, and your business context loaded into any AI tool. Research, strategy, design, specs, and planning that actually feels like your team. Okay. Okay, cool. Not bad. Setting up NPX. Here you go. And I wonder, you know what? Let's see if there's an NPM package of whatever, a security scanner. That would be a business idea. NPM package or package scanner, whatever. You don't have to NPM. Okay, package scanner. Secure for secure. I can't even write. I've been staring at the screen. I have a headache too. I've been staring at the screen for 55 hours. Okay, so NPM vulnerability scanner. There we go. There is one already. Okay. Start for free. Does this cost? Okay, I get scared when they say start for free. It's not a good sentence. Dependencies. Yeah, you can just like scan it. Why not? Because if everybody's going to start building these damn packages for you to download, you might want to, you might just want to be on the safe side and do a little scan, I think. Public API docs. Okay. What do we got here? IDE integrations. Okay, you can even integrate it and then you can have your code scanned or what? There is CodeRabbit that just is in GitHub, I think. Yeah. Potential injection via string-based quick. Yeah, these are things that, just make your life easier, especially if you don't have a security team, right? What are you going to do if you have that? Yeah, I mean, that's just you yourself, and you, right? It's like nobody else there. So you're going to need all kinds of tools to help you out if you don't have partners. $350 a month? Wait a minute. Zero for devs, dependency scanning. So what is, I don't even know what that's supposed to mean. Secrets detection, cloud license risk, code quality, AI and bot protection, sync to, what? So Jira, I heard it before, but I don't know what it is. What I can, oh, okay, now this is freaking awesome because now think about this, right? So my plan is going to be the following because I need stuff like this. I mean, I don't know if I need it yet. I think I do. Maybe I don't. Who knows? Malware detection. So, but hear me out for a second. So if you, right, I'm on AWS and what I'm going to do, I want to apply for a startup package. So because Caleb, I was talking to Caleb 2 weeks ago and he's like, hey, Azure, all you got to do, Azure, all you have to do is have an LLC and then you can apply for credits. And then you can be like, get 10K worth of credits. So now think about this. Now, if I had 10K worth of credits, I could probably use this. I mean, I don't know. I'm thinking kind of sketchy, right? If I can buy it through AWS, can I use my credits for it? Maybe. Maybe I'll get it for free. Who knows? And maybe this is enough. Who knows? I have to look into that. But there's CodeRabbit, right? CodeRabbit. It lives in Oh my, where does it live? In your GitHub, I think. AI code review. Issue planner. What have you? Hello. Okay, so pricing. It's a little bit cheaper. 24 bucks a month. Unlimited PR reviews. Okay, well, okay. Okay. Integrates with Jira and Linear. I gotta, whatever. I don't even know what that is. I heard it before, but I've never. Linters and SAST tool support. Okay. Product analytics dashboards, customizable reports, stock strings, higher rate limits for reviews and IDE. Okay. Well, you can do reviews in IDE too. I think that these things are good, especially if you're a one man show. I mean, I wish I had a co founder, but I don't. So, yeah, this is cool. So, those are things that I have to think about. So, you just gotta, oh my gosh, all the stuff that I still have to do. The app works, it's all good. I have to add payment now. I have to add a couple of other things. Stripe, I gotta do off. Then I gotta do the security check. What else? Oh, then I have to do, I have to make sure the app is locked down as good as possible so that no one can hack themselves into my system and just use it for free. So then I have to put not the privacy policy, the terms of service together. Yeah, and then there you go. You have an app and then you got to market it. Yep, that's how it goes. Right, Pablo? Right, dude? This dog has been pissing me off all day. And the only time he's quiet and does nothing is when he's on my lap. And that's worse than a child. A lot of people say that dogs are like kids. They're worse, at least chihuahuas. Chihuahuas are worse than a child. So if you want to make your life even worse, then get a chihuahua. That's just um, my advice. Yeah, you're a pain in the butt. The only thing that keeps me liking him is he has very soft fur and he looks cute. So that's what makes people, just allow the dog to be retarded. Right? Yeah, exactly. So, yeah, people, I have nothing more to tell you guys. I think I have to do some work. Well, I don't think I was thinking if I'd do it on, but I can't do it on screen. That's not going to work. Oh, one more thing. One more. No, I'm not going to say it. I can't. I can't say it. I can't say it. I can't say it. Well, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are also thinking about what you're going to create for your future. I think now is the time to re-roll the dice if you want. I think the stars are aligned for that. Let's get a little bit woo-woo for a second. The stars are aligned for that to re-roll the dice and see what you want to do with your life. Oh my lord! And I wish you guys well. Do it. I dare you. I dare you to re-roll the dice or dices. I dare you guys. Well, anyways. Oh, I'm so sorry. Did I miss everybody's darn? It's the same, but you need to pick up the gains based on FMV. That was crypto, right? That was my crypto question. What do we got here? Because I'm a hacker and I build AI software that hacks that isn't open to the public. Yeah, Asher, that's interesting. That's interesting. What do you got here? Thoughts on this app? What is that? Orion. AI app. That's your app, right? I think we talked about it before. I think we have spoke about it. You have an image model and a fine-tuned chat, right? You can do images and chat. Is that correct? Are you still there? I'm so sorry. I missed it. I missed your comment, dear Azure. Very sorry about that. New comments. Oh, yeah. Okay, cool. Not anymore. Okay. You guys pivoted? That's good. You know how many times I pivoted in my life? You know how many times I re-rolled the dice? Oh my lord, too many times. It's like Palantir for consumers. Okay, that sounds super interesting. That sounds super interesting. Not bad. Like Palantir for consumers. Hey, I like that. They we need to protect ourselves, don't we? From the big bad guys. The big bad guys. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it depends. Yeah. I'm just reading 50 things at once. But Azure, I'm looking forward to learning more. Um, see you guys on Spaces maybe later when I need. We're building. Yeah, I went through that comment already. Well, everybody, hey, you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Be quiet, bro. This dog is just like, look at him. Does anybody want to buy him? $5? Or I'll pay you to take him. How about that? I'll give you $100. Dog and $100. How about that? But only into a loving home without small children. He can't handle small children. And that's why so many Chihuahuas land in the dog pound, because people think that these dogs are cute, but they bite. So yeah, you got to be careful with a Chihuahua and a baby. Don't do that. Unless you really know your Chihuahua well. There are definitely Chihuahuas that are well raised and that can behave, but they're really minuscule. So you guys have a blessed day. Bye bye.